How to fix the blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. If your profile picture appears pixelated, unclear, or of low quality, this guide will help you fix it, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your profile picture is a high resolution image. As you can see here, the recommended size for a WhatsApp profile picture is 500 by 500 pixels or higher. Avoid using images that are heavily compressed or screenshots. Also, next step is to simply tap on edit. Now, as you can see, WhatsApp crops profile pictures into a circle. So if your image is too wide or too tall, it may lose quality when cropped. Use an editing app like Canva, PixArt, or the built-in editor on your phone to aspect the ratio. Also, when setting your profile picture, avoid zooming in too much. Zooming can cause the image to lose clarity, resulting in a blurry display. If you're experiencing a slow or unstable internet connection, your profile picture might not upload correctly. You might need to switch to a more stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try again. Now, go to settings on your phone, select apps, and simply go to WhatsApp. And if you're on Android, you'll be able to clear the cache. Simply tap on it and simply restart WhatsApp and check if the issue is resolved. And that's how you fix the blurry profile picture on